baskets too. Gift baskets drawings, they're going to be going on, and they'll draw names at 8:45. They'll be drawing names for the gift baskets. You got to be present to win. They're going to put on the 50-50 board by 9:15. Must be present to win on the basket drawings, so if you're getting in on that. Those are sponsored by Big R's, Hogs and Dogs. Oh, I'm sorry, that's tomorrow, the chicken dinner. Big R's, Hogs and Dogs, come check that out. Good Sewing is on scene tonight, helping us out. Auto Solutions in the pit with that nice looking green truck. Alright, how about the kids? How are they doing down here? The basket sponsors, we got a whole bunch of great sponsors that helped us out with the baskets. Dagwood's, Auto Solutions, Chad Mallory, Well Drilling, Sod Clusters, Advanced Auto. The Nest is also one of the great sponsors, and Dairy Phil, Smoking Pigs by Biggs, Hawk Electric, TKOE, JBC Golf Carts, Chelly's, and Palmer's Hardware, as well as Farwell Trading folks, and Jenkins Landscaping and Plumbing. Thank you to all of our basket sponsors that made that possible. All right, Ward's giving them the final rundown. Down here to the cones right here, to my right.
Hey.
Your right also. Unless you're way over there. Hi, friends, over on the other side of the track in the pit area.
Look, you can see they're going to brace.
Smiling faces. Thanks for coming out and spending the evening with us. What's this field look like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 8 Power Wheels drivers here ready to go. All giving the thumbs up. That means engines are started. Safety protection's on. If you like what you see out here and you want to get in on the action, just grab your Power Wheel from the garage and meet us at the track at our next show. We'd love to have you. All right, now it's your part, everybody. Help us send these kids off on a TNT 5 count on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run, Warriors! Look at them go, look at them go. If you don't have a favorite already, pick one out and cheer them on as they go down the back stretch. We got the green streak, she's moving. The little red car is moving along pretty good too. Got a great driver behind the wheel. This is where you get a feel for it, alright? This is where our sport starts. It's our future generation drivers, like Demolition Derby seeds that we sprinkle across the state. They grow into these great drivers. This is where it all starts. Uh-oh, cleanup down here on aisle 1. There she comes out. She moves that phone for us. Good, move that cone, Jesse. Watch out, Mom!
She keeps getting out and fixing that one.
Mom down, Mom down. There's the white flag. Y'all know the green flag means go. Green means go. The white flag in our racing means 1 lap to go for our leader. We are on a white flag. 1 lap to go for our leader. Here they come around the final curve. Checkered flag. That's winner, winner. Derby dinner.
Yeah.
That's right, finish strong, kids. You made the long haul to the track today. Get your fun in. Woo. All right, everybody, right here. All the kids are here. We're going to get a picture of all your fantastic vehicles. Oh, look at this. We got a hang up down in the corner. Jacked up on 2 wheels.
Not today, son.
Oh, this way. The other quarter. 2, 1, fly! There's a checkered flag. Very strong second place. Going out to 417. We're taking the top three from each U Class meet into our feature race. All right, nice job. Hey, real quick, you can stay right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, just a few of them outside. The checkered flag is still out over the track, which means the race is still underway. The checkered flag is over the track. The race is still underway. And coming around to wrap it up, finishing strong. Way to go. Number 95. Ooh, folks, what do you think of this? Look at that race. Youth class. This is life right here. In track form is life. It's not easy out here. Things aren't going your way. You ain't got mom and dad to just bail you out every time you put yourself in the corner. You're out here learning things. You're working through it. You're not on a 5 count. Ladies ready to run on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag. 7 as she comes out of turn 2. Schaefer as well in the 907 minivan. That's a Pontiac Montana. I had one of them back in the days. This Hall. Ward and Steve are ready to send our first heat of stock class on their way on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, free flag. Putting it all on the line on the last lap. .215, taking the checkered flag. Wow, what a banger right down to the end. .215, Caleb Craig taking the win. There's not a car out here with only one color. Number 2, ready to roll on your 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. We got our guys over there checking on our car here. Make sure we're all good. How we doing, Henry? All right, thumbs up from Henry. All right, good deal. Feel a little upside down today, bro. 4V8, you're down. Hey, there's our driver coming out all right on zone 2. That's right. Thanks for that, Paul. Who's that, Patrick? No. I wish I had I can't tell.
right, we got us some transfer down here, ball. We're going to get this one cleared up this side now. Well, I'm going to pull the Charlie back in. Come on, we can have. Go to the two. Hey, now, I'm a dirty boy. All right, license and registration, please. All right, nice job, Ed. Don't worry, that's going to bump right out. This grocery getters is tough. I hope you didn't break the eggs.
get that on video?
Yeah.
Is there any way I can get that video? That's fine with you.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Chris Peacock Media.
Is that your name?
No.
Oh, the name sounds familiar.
It's just a name I use to say it fast. Chris Peacock. Chris Peacock. Yeah, I post it all on YouTube.
Well, Wade, you did a very good try, man. Wade, you did a very good try. Put your hands together for him. Keep the ball and putting it all out there on the track. Good job.
What's the profile picture?
He had more in his than the Pontiac did.
Put the media at the end.
Four senior check with our fellas. Here we go.
If I can get it blue, we can bad service out here.
I don't mind bounce. I got 5G here and I walk down there and I got 4. Might have to put in one word. Yeah.
Show the boy Bob Strong in the 019 car. Warren City Jr. in the 911. Jordan Bedard in the 23. Gabe Menard in the 247.
Hey, you want a drink?
Don't have a standard all in. Get one out. Cheerize they go.
Dalton Robin.
We can keep them in this area. It'll be all right.
Let's see the Jimmy on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Madison Parker, and number 95, Jason Richardson. Attention in the pits, attention in the pits. Austin Gonzalez, if you could please come to the lap trophy table at your earliest convenience. Austin Gonzalez to the trophy table. Thank you. Here we go on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on. Oh!
Once it makes its way down the road checker with our drivers, making sure they're all set to go. And looks like we're all set for a second chance race. 12, Brandon Hall. Your receiver, IC, pretty face and Hall. Checking with the drivers, making sure they're set to go. Please retire to be safe.